So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to see how you can create a DialogFlow agent, and we will also see how to create intents, training phrases, bot responses, entities, etc. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. First, let's see how to create an agent. Next to settings option, click the drop down option, then click create new agent. Give an agent name without any space and click create. So that is it, agent is created. Now let's get into intents. So click on default welcome intent. The welcome intent is responsible for showing the initial message to user. The default welcome intent is matched when an end user begins a conversation with your agent. It should return a response that lets end user know what your agent does or what end users can say to begin a conversation. Training phrases and their responses are pre-populated by default. You can make changes and add your own response phrases in text, image, rich messages like buttons, cards, etc. In this example, I've mentioned suggested replies in the custom payload, and it will show as buttons welcome message. Now let's create more intents, training phrases and bot responses. Click intents and click create intent. Give a name to the intent and save. Then add the training phrases and the corresponding responses for the training phrases the agent will show to the user. So you must be wondering, what are training phrases? These are example phrases for what end users might say. When an end user expression resembles one of these phrases, DialogFlow matches the intent. You don't have to define every possible example because DialogFlow's built-in machine learning expands on your list with other similar phrases. So here is how a bot responds. So as we can see, it is working pretty good. Also, DialogFlow is having some system entities. These entities are DialogFlow's mechanism for identifying and extracting useful data from the user's input. System entities allow agents to extract wide range of data without any additional configuration. For example, system entities are available for extracting dates, times and email, etc. Further, we will be using system entities for date, time, name and email. Also tick all the check boxes to make it required field and add prompt for all the 4 entities, so that if user fail to enter the required value, agent will prompt to enter it. Then set response for the same with entity values in the response. So let's see a bot in action again after we have set the entities. So as you can see, we have given all the details to a bot and a bot identifies them correctly. Now let's see what are developer entities. Developer entities are which you define, extract information about concept beyond those covered by system entities. For example, a brand might create a developer entity to recognize its unique set of product names. We can create our own entities other than system entities. Go to entities section, under custom, create your own entities. For the particular reference value, add any number of synonyms that can be extracted and used. So we have added a custom entity also. Now let's see how a bot reacts to it. Now here comes a custom entity to play. The bot asks for the appointment type and we put training, and the bot immediately recognizes it. See, that is how you create a wonderful chatbot. It's easy, isn't it? Now if you loved the video, hit that like button and see you in the next one. Bye bye.